Hello, my name is Marianna, and this pretty girl right here is Rachel, a blue and gold macaw. And I got something really special for her right now. So I absolutely love cooking and I love making bird food. Isn't it fun when you can make something really tasty for the birds and then watch them eat it? So it's summertime and everyone is craving some fruit and salad. So that is exactly what I made for her. And let's see how she likes it. So what do we have on the menu? We've got a strawberry banana salad with some sprouts, edible flowers, microgreens, and I think some soaked nuts. So we soaked them overnight to make them more nutritious. Of course, Rachel went straight for the banana. Isn't that yummy? That's a banana. Bananas are yellow, just like your belly, right? Right, Rachel? Yummy. This is so good. This is such a good banana, right? What else would you like to try? Would you like some flowers? That's an almond. Rachel loves almonds. Yummy. This is so good, right? This is so good. So what I did with the nuts is very easy. You get raw nuts and then you just soak them in a glass of water overnight and make sure that the nuts are clean, that the water is clean, and then you just rinse them real good and you basically got a much more nutritious treat that way. That banana has a flower on it. How fun is that, Rachel? Is that like a flower sandwich with a banana? Look at that. Rachel, we've got so much food. Do you think we should share with Kili and Truman? Yeah, let's do that. More. There you go. Hey, Truman. Would you like some salad too? Look at that. We've got a lot of options. No? Truman is a very picky eater. He's like, I'm not sure about any of this. But look, we have some sprouted seeds, we have some flowers, we have some bananas. You like bananas, don't you? You want some bananas? I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching these guys eat the fruit salad, and hopefully it inspired you to make some special treats for your bird. Tell me in the comments what kind of foods are your bird's favorite, and I'll see you again